From the swirling clouds of Jupiter to the distant twinkle of a billion galaxies, space has always held a certain allure for mankind, a vast canvas of cosmic wonder, beckoning us to unravel its mysteries. But this celestial tapestry holds more than just beauty. It harbors dangers, threats on a scale unimaginable, capable of ending life as we know it in the blink of an eye. From asteroids that could wipe out civilizations, to gamma-ray bursts capable of sterilizing the planet, space isn't just beautiful, it's dangerous. Yet, amidst these cosmic dangers, there is hope. The same ingenuity that took us to the moon and unveiled the secrets of the stars might also be our salvation. What if we told you humanity could survive these apocalyptic threats? Join us as we journey to the heart of these cosmic events, exploring the science behind them and uncovering the ways we as a species might just survive the apocalypse. Let's dive into how to outlive some of the most terrifying disasters from outer space. Asteroid impacts, a celestial lottery where the wrong kind of cosmic debris could spell the end for us all. The dinosaurs, the undisputed rulers of this planet for millions of years, wiped out in an instant by a force from beyond the heavens. A rock just 10 kilometers wide could end life as we know it, but there is a glimmer of hope amidst this cosmic dread. NASA's DART mission recently proved we can deflect asteroids by slamming a spacecraft into them. If detected early enough, we could nudge an asteroid off its collision course with Earth. But let's imagine for a moment that we don't stop it in time. Seek shelter in deep, reinforced bunkers, havens designed to withstand the apocalypse. Stockpile essentials, food, water, and air filtration systems. Sustainable food sources like hydroponics, growing food without sunlight, become crucial. The sun, our very own star, the giver of life, also harbors the power to unleash chaos upon our world. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs for short, are two of the most significant threats to our technologically dependent civilization. A massive solar flare or coronal mass ejection could fry our satellites, those silent sentinels that guide our communications, navigation, and so much more. Power grids, the arteries of our modern world, would overload and fail, plunging entire continents into darkness. Society, as we know it, would grind to a halt. But even in the face of such a threat, we are not powerless. Scientists, using sophisticated instruments and models, are constantly monitoring the sun, developing early warning systems to predict these solar storms. Shielding critical infrastructure and satellites, hardening them against these electromagnetic onslaughts, could prevent widespread damage. Solar panels, harnessing the power of the very force that threatens us, coupled with backup battery systems, can keep your home powered during a blackout. Faraday cages, simple enclosures made of conductive material, can shield sensitive devices from electromagnetic pulses. Stockpiling non-perishable food, water, and essential supplies like a manual water pump could mean the difference between surviving and succumbing to the aftermath. By understanding these forces, by preparing for their wrath, we can increase our chances of weathering the storm and emerging into a new dawn. Chapter 3. Death from the Stars Gamma-ray Bursts. Imagine, if you will, a beam of energy so intense, so powerful that it makes a supernova look like a mere flicker of a candle. This is the power of a gamma-ray burst, or GRB, one of the most cataclysmic events in the universe. A single GRB releases more energy in that brief moment than our sun will in its entire 10 billion year lifespan. These bursts of unimaginable power originate from distant galaxies, the result of massive stars collapsing into black holes or the collision of neutron stars. Fortunately, these events are incredibly rare, and the chances of one occurring close enough to Earth to cause harm are astronomically small. But what if, by some cosmic twist of fate, a gamma-ray burst were aimed directly at Earth? The consequences are almost too terrifying to contemplate. The initial burst, traveling at the speed of light, would hit us without warning. The gamma rays would interact with the upper atmosphere, stripping away electrons and creating a shower of secondary particles. This, in turn, would ionize the atmosphere, disrupting radio communications and potentially even causing widespread blackouts. The gamma rays, interacting with the atmosphere, would produce nitrogen oxides, which would destroy the ozone layer, our planet's sunscreen that protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. With the ozone layer depleted, the surface of the Earth would be bathed in deadly radiation, making it impossible for life as we know it to survive. Chapter 4. Cosmic Upheaval, Rogue Planets and Black Hole Encounters. Space, as we know, is a dynamic and ever-changing arena. Stars are born, they live out their fiery lives, and they die, sometimes in spectacular fashion. Planets, caught in the gravitational dance of their stellar systems, trace their orbits for billions of years. But what happens when this delicate balance is disrupted? What happens when rogue planets, wanderers ejected from their star systems, or black holes, those cosmic behemoths with gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape, come knocking on our cosmic door? A rogue planet, flung from its home system by gravitational interactions with other planets or passing stars, could wreak havoc on our solar system. While a direct collision with Earth is unlikely, even a close encounter could have catastrophic consequences. The immense gravitational pull of a rogue planet could disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system, including our own. Imagine, if you will, Earth's orbit being elongated, sending us further away from the Sun. Temperatures would plummet, ice caps would expand, and our planet would be plunged into a global ice age. Conversely, if our orbit were to be pulled closer to the Sun, we would experience runaway greenhouse effects, scorching temperatures, and the potential for oceans to boil away. Black holes, those enigmatic objects that warp the very fabric of space-time, pose a different kind of threat. Outro, our future among the stars. As we've journeyed through the cosmos, exploring the very real threats that loom in the darkness, it's easy to feel a sense of dread, of insignificance in the face of such overwhelming power. But amidst these celestial dangers, there is a glimmer of hope, a testament to the indomitable spirit of humankind. While the universe is unpredictable and often unforgiving, humanity's resilience and ingenuity offer hope. From planetary defense to underground cities and space colonization, we're finding ways to protect ourselves from even the most extreme cosmic threats. The same ingenuity that allowed us to harness fire to build cities, to split the atom, is now being directed towards ensuring our survival in the face of cosmic catastrophe. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more space survival strategies. Let's prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. Let us not cower in fear, but instead embrace the challenge. To push the boundaries of science and technology, to become a multiplanetary species, ensuring that no matter what the cosmos throws our way, humanity will endure.